20,000 mAh is a whole lot of battery inside of a battery bank. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the MoveSpeed 20,000 mAh 3-in-1 portable battery bank. It's portable, it's ultra fast, and it's got 20,000 mAh. But as you know, in every episode we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to look at this MoveSpeed 20,000 mAh power bank right here. And wow, packaging looks very, very nice. Little glossy finish right here on the product itself, and then this is more like a matte. Information on the back here, on the sides, on the top. Ready to go commercial. Let's open it up. Inside the box we have this charger user manual right here. So it gives us some information on the inputs and outputs, the LED display and all that, and just additional information. And very cool that it comes in multiple languages as well. Always nice when we get that, so huge fan. Guess what? Let's move on. And then the product itself. Wow, look at this. 65 watts GAN 3 supercharger right here from MoveSpeed. Side flip on there to kind of make sure it's tucked out of the way. Looks like you can hit that on the bottom port or on a top port right there, but very nice either way. Some information on the back right there as well, just giving us some documentation on the AC input outputs. It looks like we got a retractable cable as well. Very, very awesome. Huge fan of that. Just pull it, it'll click into place as you see. Pull it again, it'll release, and it'll go right back. Looks like there's a magnet on the back of it as well, so it'll just magnetize into there. We got a type C port right here and an A port. Looks like that C is in and out, which means you can just plug C into this to charge it up as well. Taking a look at the LCD screen right here, it looks very, very nice. Gives us some information on how much percentage we have left. That's very simple to activate. You can push that twice to turn it off, or you can hold the button to turn it on. Very, very nice. Looks good. Let's go ahead and try it out. This is the MoveSpeed 3-in-1 portable charger power bank with 20,000 mAh at 65 watts. 3-in-1 power bank, your all-in-one charging solution. This 20,000 mAh power bank features a 65 watt fast charging, a built-in 27.6-inch USB-C cable, and a foldable plug. Charge phones anywhere, no extra cables needed, compact and travel ready for on-the-go power. 65 watt GAN fast charging at 20,000 mAh. Experience ultra fast charging with their GAN power bank. Charge your MacBook Air to 41% in just 30 minutes, which ensures cooler, more efficient charging, and the 20,000 mAh power bank to fully recharges your iPhone 16 up to 4.5 times. Travel friendly and airline approved, so you can take flight ready power anywhere. Their laptop power bank features a built-in foldable plug and retractable USB-C cable, so no more tangled cords. The TSA-approved 77 watt-hour battery bank fits effortlessly in pockets or bags, perfect for business trips, hiking, or daily commutes. It's your all-in-one charging solution that keeps you powered without the bulk. Smart display power bank, so you can stay in control with their charger, featuring a real-time digital display so you can instantly check exact battery percentages 0 to 100% and the input-output power status at a glance. No more guessing, just precise power management for your phone. Compact, reliable, and always ready to keep you charged on the go. 3-way portable charger, you can charge 3 devices at once with their built-in USB-C cable plus the USB-C port and the USB-A ports. Features pass-through charging, so you can plug in to recharge the battery bank while charging your devices. Works as both a power bank and a wall charger. This thing is awesome and super powerful. A smart idea about being able to plug it in while keeping the ports open. Great job, MoveSpeed. This is our first time working with MoveSpeed, and I gotta say, this thing is awesome. The fact that it can charge your iPhone 16 to completely full 4.5 times is just... it's super awesome. It's very nice. We want to give a huge shout out to MoveSpeed for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.